Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. We from Group 1 want to present a presentation 7.0 is about welding. In 7.0 welding, we also want to present 7.1 is about related ways to manage protected metal arc welding, or we can call about SMAW according to the standard operating procedure. First of all, I would like to introduce my name. The name given is Muhammad Kifidaus bin Muhammad Kamil from class DKM1B, and my number matrix is 23DKM20F1121. Among the methods to manage protected metal arc welding, or SMAW, according to standard operating procedure, is the first. Safety glasses must be worn at all times in addition to a welding mask. The second, long and loose hair must be contained. Other than that, study foods wear with rubber sole must be worn. Next, close-fitting or protecting clothing to cover arms and legs must be worn. Therefore, respiratory protection devices may be required for some operations. After that, all three lattice gloves and spikes must be worn when welding. Second last, ring and jewelry must not be worn, and lastly is a welding mask with correct grade length for SMAW must be worn. I also want to present about 7.1.1 is about related to the basic principle of arc welding. SMAW arc welding begins when an electric current is passed from the welding machine to the contact of an electrode located at one pull terminal to another. The resistance formed during the flow of the electricity to the electrode distance will produce a high arc for 5000 Celsius. The head will continue to meet the ends of the electrode and the base metal, and then units as a welding boundary. The higher the resistance, the greater the head. The electrode counting pumps and release gas which protect the weld from the outside air. It also covers the surface of the boundary until it is cooled, which is known as slide. In SMAW arc welding process, the necessary equipment is a follow key cover. It's about the transformers, rectifier, and generator. Next, I will give to my friend to explain more about 7.1.2 and next. So thank you for me. So this is for me. So thank you very much.
Function of the amperage adjustment controls to use measure the stretch and electric current in a closed circle on an electrical panel. After that, the amperage adjustment control can be used to measure electric current and is connected to a current sensor or current transformer. The amperage need to weld depends on electrode diameter, the size and thickness of the piece to be weld, and the position of the welding. Thin metal requires less current than thin metal, and small electrode requires less ampere than large one.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the basic component in arc welding machine. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Muhammad Yunus from DKM1B. My metric number is 23 DKM20F1039. Today I'm going to present about the basic component in arc welding machine. So let's start it. So the first one is alatuba, or in English is called transformer. A transformer is a static electrical device that transfer energy by induction coupling between their winding circuit. And the second one is earth cable. A functional earth cable is used where the main cable does not have earth conductor or is a backup to ensure that the earth is not lost during the maintenance if the cable is removed. So the third one is electrode cable. A electrode is used to conduct current through a workpiece to fuse two pieces together in arc welding. And the fourth one is electrode holder, commonly called a stringer, is a clamping device for holding the electrode securely in any position. And the last one is power supply. In welding, power supply is a device that provides an electric current to perform welding. Welding usually requires high current over 80 ampere, and it can need above 12,000 ampere in spot welding.